So here we are back at the administrative interface for NopeLab, and I want to show you how easy it is to create a movie review. So I'm going to come over here to movie reviews, and I can either click right here or click over here, and it's going to take me to the exact same place, which is it's just going to list and show me the movie reviews. Okay, great. So if I wanted to, I could come up here and search for movie reviews. Say, let's search for the Avengers. And if I did that, it would search, and it's actually just going to bring up the Avengers. I can get rid of that. Search again, and then it's just going to bring up all of the movies that we have. Very easy interface. If you've got 10,000 movies in there, you're going to be able to very easily search by name. So you're not going to have to go through page after page after page to look for them and delete them or adjust them if you want to in some way. But to add a movie review, there's two ways you can do that. Once you're in this screen, you can come up here to add movie review, or you can come over here to add movie review. It doesn't matter. They go to the exact same place. And what you're going to get is you're going to get a custom post type. This is what this is called, is a custom post type. And there's going to be a couple of things filled in. The only thing you're going to need to fill in is going to be the name here. Let's say, let's just review Fantastic Four. So down here in the content area, you're going to see there's a short code for a form. You're going to want to leave that in there. And down below in the excerpt, there's another short code for another form. And this is the main form, shows all the analytics and shows all of the actual form for the review. And this shows an excerpt of the analytics correctly formatted, so that when an excerpt is shown, it doesn't show everything all bunched up. It shows it nice and formatted. So those are required, and they need to be left in there. But besides the title, you don't need anything else. All you have to do is just give it a title and click publish. Once you do that, out here, come over to featured reviews, and it will show the last 10 reviews. You're going to see here we have Fantastic Four. Has not been reviewed yet, so we don't have any information, but we can go in here real quick and come down to the form, and I'm just going to go ahead and just to demonstrate here, I'm just going to go ahead and give 10s to everything real quick. These fields right up here at the top are required, and then the only other field, these fields are not required anywhere in here, but we'll go ahead and click a couple of them just so we can take a look at the analytics real quick. And let's give it 4 stars, and I won't enter an email address. If an individual does enter their email address, they do get a cute little email formatted with a little butterfly and stuff in it. But if they don't, it's okay. No problem. They don't have to. Once they click submit, it's going to take them directly to a page that says your responses were successfully submitted. Thank you. They can click right back on Fantastic Four, go right back to where they were, and now you're going to see we have analytics in here that are showing us they're showing us exactly what happened. And when people re-review this again, let's go ahead and re-review this, and let's go ahead and lower these down to 4s. Come all the way down here, and let's give it 1 star and submit that. That data is going to be immediately updated. There's no approval process needed. There's nothing like that. People can come in, go ahead and take care of that real quick. And now you see the analytics that we're seeing out here reflect the changes that we just made in the last review. So anyway, that is how reviews are created, and that's how people enter them on the front side of the website. In the next movie, we're going to go over when people actually post movies for review here on the outside.